We now are fighting against the Russian occupiers.
Imagine that your neighbor, some other country, has decided to create a fake and unreal story about your homeland.
Today, they come to Ukraine, to my house, destroying entire families, destroying entire cities.
This is genocide. This is fascism. And fascism is a global problem because it is spreading.
They can put the button and send rockets to any country. We need to do something with that.
Every day I do everything that I can to help the residents of my house, my family and friends, our army and our country.
We all try to be strong and save our life and life of our people.
We are fighting to protect the world, sacrificing our lives for the peace.
We will restore everything. We will be happy to invite you and to show you what an amazing country Ukraine is.
All Ukrainian people are united here, fighting against evil.
We will make everything we can to win this war and to establish a freedom about Europe.
And we are really grateful to Poland and everyone in different corners of the planet.
We ask again and again for your help and for your donation.
Go out to the demonstrations in your towns. Spread the word online.
We need your voice to speak out the truth and stop Russian invasion.
We also ask NATO to close the sky over Ukraine and save more lives.
I call the world to support Ukraine, to donate, to help people affected by war.
Don't be silent. Call on your politicians to act. Take to the streets. Demands actions.
Join us! Слава Україні! Героям слава!